affordable at budget-friendly na Bluetooth mouse na pwede pang office at gaming, tingin tayo sa Lazada. Here we can see the A4Tech brand is a legit brand na talaga namang over the years ay napatunayang talagang matibay. Same with Logitech, although mas mahal nga lang yun, but A4Tech is also a very good choice for budget, legit, and really robust gadgets or miscellaneous accessories. So, I'm thinking about this A4Tech white model, no? So, ito yung mga specs niya. So, actually, sobrang ganda niya tingnan. And based naman doon sa mga specs niya na pwede natin makita dito is very, very, very good naman tingnan. So, what you were waiting for? I already checked naman. Di ko na pinakita rito yung ibang mga brand. I also own cheap Logitech na KO. So, and tumagal lang ng ilang buwan. So, I'm trying to go for a branded pero affordable. Affordable na mouse. So, here we go. Eto na. So, dumating na ang ating hinihintay na mouse from A4Tech sa last one. Of course, for peace of mind, no, tingin lang tayo sa last wall. Pero, even though last wall yan, meron pa rin dyang mga counterfeits, no? So, I don't know what they're doing about it, Lazada. But, yeah, for due diligence, tingin din tayo, double check tayo sa mga reviews. Tingin natin yung mga products kasi marami dyang mga counterfeits. And alam nyo naman na pagdating sa mga mamimeke, number one talaga yung mga tao gustong-gusto mameke. At gagawa sila ng paraan. So, here we have the A4Tech mouse. And actually, this model, as you can see here, is FB35F Styler. It's very, very good grip mouse. Na-check ko na siya, nagamit ko na siya actually. So here we go, yung ating unboxing. Very, very simple packaging. Okay naman. So, here we go. So guys, nagamit ko na siya today. Actually sa office, ginamit ko talaga siya para sa office. So as office workers know, gamit na gamit talaga siya. So for me, yung review ko sa kanya is very, very good. Knowing budget siya, no? 550 something lang siya. And it's already a robust mouse. Ang ganda tingnan. Actually, it comes in different colors. May black, I think may gray. So, A4Tech FS Styler is one of those recommendations. So, kita nyo naman dito. 5545 is very good, actually. But of course, you have a budget, go for higher. But that doesn't really mean na okay siya. So, thank you guys. Click and subscribe.